How is it going, Samsung users? Mr. Android here. Finally, I got the One UI 4.0 update on my Galaxy A52. As you can see, they have added a lot of cool features with this update, and the update is around 2.2 GB in size. I have already installed this update on my phone, and if I go to About Phone, Software Information, you see the version is Android 12. With that being said, in today's video, I will be showing you some best features of One UI 4.0. So make sure you guys watch this video till the very end. Also, if you love Samsung One UI, then smash that like button and let's aim for 2000 likes on this video. So drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright guys, first let's talk about the always on display. If I go inside the always on screen, now we have this brand new option called show for new notifications. Once you enable this option, what it does is, it only shows you the always on screen whenever you receive any new notifications. In One UI 3.1, you don't get any such option. But Samsung has added this very useful feature in One UI 4.0. This will definitely save you some battery. Next, in the lock screen, if you are playing any music on your phone, then they have added one useful feature that lets you switch between multiple sound output devices directly from your lock screen itself. So in case if you want to change the sound output, now you don't have to unlock your phone, you can change it directly from your lock screen. Moving on to the home screen, first let's talk about the notification panel. If I pull down my quick panel, the first thing you will notice is the brightness bar. It has been totally redesigned, and now you just need to swipe your finger on it to adjust the brightness. Apart from this, they have also added a useful toggle inside the quick settings. Simply tap on this plus icon. Here you will find this brand new toggle called extra dim. Just drag it down to your notification panel. What it does is, it basically dims the screen beyond the minimum brightness. I think this will be extremely useful during nighttime. Next, if I press and hold on my home screen and select widgets, you can see the widgets layout has been redesigned, and now it's easy for you to reach to your favorite widgets. And not only this, Samsung has also changed their default widgets. They look more rounded, keeping the Android 12 design language, and the clock widget now shows different background color depending on whether it's a day or night in a country. Also, if I click on the weather widget, we now have this new animation that looks absolutely gorgeous. Overall, Samsung has improved the widgets and they look much better in One UI 4.0. Next, let's talk about color theming. If I long press and go to wallpapers, here we have this brand new option called color palette. Basically, it lets you choose a theme based on different colors from the wallpaper that you have applied. Simply click on it and select from any of the predefined color options picked by One UI depending on the wallpaper. It changes the accent color, icon color, and even it supports most of the system applications. For example, if I open clock, you can see it adapts the new color theming option. Same thing applies for the phone dialer, messaging app, and other system applications as well. So whenever you apply a new wallpaper on your Galaxy A52, you now get this new option to choose a color palette based on your wallpaper. So everything will change depending on the wallpaper that you have applied on your home screen. Samsung has finally added this much needed feature that allows you to change the icon pack without using any third-party launcher. So if you have downloaded any icon pack from the Play Store and want to apply those icons on your phone, all you have to do is just download the theme park module inside the GoodLock application. Then go inside theme park and select icon. Then click on create new and select the icon pack you have downloaded from the Play Store. Once you are done, simply save the icon pack by giving a name. It will take some time, and once your theme is saved, just select and click on apply. With One UI 4.0, you can easily change the icon pack by using the default launcher, and even you can change the icon shape as well. Next, if I go to settings, then to advanced features, here we have this new option called as labs. Just go inside and you will find something called as multi-window for all apps. It allows you to open all the applications in a pop-up or a split screen view. This also includes apps that don't support multi-window. For example, Instagram does not support multi-window. So if I disable this feature and then try to open Instagram in a pop-up view, I don't get any such options. But if I go ahead and enable multi-window for all apps, now I can easily open Instagram in a pop-up or split screen view. Guys, it's a very useful feature and I will highly suggest you to enable this option by going inside advanced features. Next, if I go to device care, you can see it has been updated and now you get this fresh design. Basically, if your Galaxy device has some issues, then it will show a sad emoji on the top, and if everything is fine, then you will have the smiling emoji. If you go inside battery, more battery settings, here we have this new option called as protect battery. Once you turn it on, it helps you to expand the lifespan of your battery by limiting the maximum charge up to 85%. So when you charge your phone, it will charge only up to 85% to maintain the health of your battery. Android 12 is all about privacy, So if you go to settings and then to privacy, here you can check all the apps that uses your phone's camera, microphone and location access. Not only this, you can take further action and choose the applications for which you want to give access to your phone's camera and microphone. Another privacy feature is when any app accesses your phone's camera or microphone, you will get this indicator on the top that shows you all the information. So if you're really concerned about your privacy, then Samsung has added some amazing features with One UI 4.0. Now let me show you some minor changes related to Samsung Gallery. When I open any folder, you can see now we have this album cover on the top, which is a nice addition. And now you can change the date or time of any pictures or videos that you have saved in your gallery. Lastly, you can also create a collage by combining your favorite pictures and videos together. Finally, let's talk about the app drawer. Instead of swiping left or right to see all the applications, if you want to enable vertical scrolling in the app drawer, now Samsung has added this feature. All you have to do is go to GoodLock application and download the Home Up module. Once you go inside the Home Up, click on Home Screen and you will find a brand new option called as App List. Make sure you enable this option and that's it. Now when you open the app drawer, you will have this vertical scrolling, which is more convenient than swiping left or right. Apart from this, they have improved the animations in One UI 4.0 and I have already made a detailed video showing you all the animations. So if you haven't already, then do watch that video by clicking on the right side of your screen. So that's it for this video. These are some amazing features of One UI 4.0. If you guys liked this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.